Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today, I'm going to share with you a salmon recipe. What I have done, I have frozen salmon. Last night, I took it out and I put it into the fridge. This is Atlantic salmon. It's boneless, skinless, center cut fillet. And I'm going to make it in air fryer. I'm going to use the spices from masala dabba along with garlic, ginger, parsley and degi mirt just for flavoring. As I mentioned, the salmon fish is frozen and you can defrost it or as I have done it, you can do the same thing. You can put it in the fridge. So now there is no more ice. The salmon fish packaged in each individual packages. So I'm going to open the package. Prior to using it, as you can see, the water start coming out. That's all from the ice. This is the perfect. I open up all the bags and I take out the fish. And there is no more ice in it. You can use a fresh salmon as well. So I'm going to wash them in cold water. I put them in cold water and I use a strainer. So just one time, quick wash. You don't have to wash it too long. And this is good enough. I will lay out the pieces straight so there will be no more water. We don't need to pat and dry. This is good. I'm going to use ground ginger and ground granule garlic powder. You can use the fresh ginger and garlic paste as well, whatever you prefer. I'm going to use a half teaspoon garlic powder. Parsley flakes, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. If you prefer cilantro, which is dhania, you can use as well. Degi mirt, half teaspoon. Salt is always to taste, but I will be using half teaspoon. Black pepper, half teaspoon. And these are the only spices I do need. I'm going to mix them all. I'll get it, plate. And I'll lay out the salmon pieces. All the spices are combined well. Now I'm going to spray all over the pieces, just like this. After adding the spices, with the other hand, I just pat them so they stick to the fish. And now I will turn them over. So we'll add the spices on the other side of the fish. Like a big pieces, just sprinkle on the side. Make sure that it's nicely coated because when we're going to eat it, you're going to get the flavor from all the spices. Same thing on the side. As you can see, it's nicely coated. Once all the salmon pieces are coated with spices, we're going to let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we'll put it into air fryer. The fish has been rested for 5 minutes on the countertop. What I have done, I get a big potato. I peeled it and I cut it into small pieces and added some spices, salt, black pepper and parsley. So we're going to cook along with the fish and it's going to taste really well. So I'm going to get my air fryer. Open it. So we're going to lay out the fish. Some potatoes on the side. Perfect. After placing the fish and potatoes, I'm going to put it into the fryer and we're going to close it. Once it's firmly closed, we're going to plug the outlet, and it starts. And we're going to turn the power on, and we're going to bring the time 16 minutes and the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's already started, so we're going to let it cook for 16 minutes. Good thing about it, with the air fryer, you don't have to use any oil, and it cooks healthy recipes. Also, you don't have to turn the fish over, and you have to watch it. We're gonna come back after 16 minutes. It's one more minute, then we are all done. It's all done. Please don't open it. As you can see, the fan is still blinking. So the fan is running, the power is still on. Once it cools down a little bit, after 2 minutes later, I'm going to open it. Then I'm going to share with you how the fish looks inside. We waited for 2 more minutes, and now I'm going to open it. Look at this. The fish is nicely cooked, potatoes are also cooked. And I'm going to take the pieces out. Hot, sizzling. This is a good thing about the air fryer. I like it. That you don't have to babysit or you don't have to watch while you're cooking. Once you place it in, then you can do whatever you like. And we have our potatoes are ready. Our delicious salmon recipe is all ready. I'm going to taste it and I'll show you. It's fully cooked. Look at this. Wow. Nice. Perfect pieces. The salmon. Super delicious. Many followers already asking questions. Anushka Stoop, she asked, Bhai Sahab, is this going to be juicy, tasty, and tender? Yes. As you can see, it's not dry. It's very juicy and very delicious. Also, Joe Thompson, I can't name each and everyone, but I really appreciate from bottom of my heart for supporting Easy Steps and liking, commenting, and this is really delicious recipe. And one thing I like to share with you regards to air fryer. If you're health conscious, then please try this recipe and you're going to like it. And the other thing I wanted to share with you, I feel like eating while I'm talking to you. In the past, many people are asking that what if we don't have the oven, the convection oven, and what is the other alternate? This is the best alternate out there. If you like cooking in oven, this is a perfect alternate. So I hope you like this video, and I'm going to see you soon with the new recipes. And please enjoy and have a good day. Bye-bye.